Today on Spirit Work and Potions, I'm making an Exit Row, a cocktail from my San Francisco days. First, we need to make a ginger-cardamom syrup, so peel 1.5 ounces of ginger, chop that up. It doesn't have to be perfect, we're going to blend this up later on. Then, toast some cardamom, just enough till it's fragrant. Remove from the heat, add in 1/2 cup of water, followed by 1/2 cup of sugar. Once that comes to a boil, add in your ginger and cardamom, remove from the heat and set that aside to steep for 15 minutes. Give that a few pulses in a blender, doesn't have to be super smooth, strain that through a mesh sieve and then press on the solids to get as much syrup as you can. Pick 1/2 cup or 8 grams of fresh cilantro. Slice and juice some fresh limes. Add your cilantro to the shaker along with 1 ounce of the ginger syrup and muddle that. Next, add in 2 ounces of lime juice, a pinch of salt, 3 ounces of vodka. You can also use gin. I personally like to do 2 shots of Belvedere vodka and 1 shot of Roku gin. Add some ice to the shaker, shake that up for 10 seconds, pour that through a Hawthorne strainer into an ice and cilantro-filled glass, and top off with some fresh soda water. If you like it a little sweeter, use some ginger beer instead of soda water, but it doesn't need it. Garnish with a sprig of cilantro and drink up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.